Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as three waves up for W, three waves down for X, and I think it's going to be 1, 2, 3 up for an ABC of wave Y, which I still think is likely to go up and take out these two previous highs. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as an uptrend like a wave 1, which I think is a C. I think this 5 ways up is an A. I think this WXY is a B. I think this is an ABC of Y. So that makes this a 1 of C, ABC 2 of C. And I think this is going to continue the uptrend, most likely for a wave 3 of wave C to form that pattern I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame, looks like we're in an ABC crescent to me. I mean, this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways up. I still think this looks like an A. I still think this looks like a B. Most likely, we're already in the wave C. So if we do see a nice big impulsive engulfing turn on the sort of time frames, then I definitely would take it as probably the end of a subdivision, the end of a wave 2, and the beginning of a wave 3. So I would call this a wave 1, a wave 2, and then this would be a subdivisions of a wave 3. So a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a 3 of 3. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the Aussie is definitely not broken structure to the downside yet. And to me, it definitely still looks like 5 ways down. It still looks like 1 up A, 3 down B, 1 up C. It looks like this is possibly already in a wave C. If it goes up, if it breaks structure, then I would stop looking for shorts, and I would start looking for longs again. If it does not do this picture right here on the 4 hour time frame, I would not go long, and I would not look for longs, but instead I would look for shorts until we do see a nice break of structure, 3, 4, 5 shape with the break of structure to the upside. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this is a big if. It does not have to do this. If it does do this, if it goes up, if it breaks structure, then I would say this is definitely a 3, a 4, and a 5 of wave C. And I would stop looking for shorts at that point, and I would start looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I saw for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it does not break structure, but instead it just makes lower highs, or it goes up and rejects structure, then I would just continue to look for shorts at the end of every single pullback, especially 3 way pullbacks, for the continuation what I still think is likely a wave C of wave 2 on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily Zoom meetings and my live swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.